Please, if you feel well, if you feel good and you feel excited, please give me your thumbs up. Please let me introduce myself. My name is Desember as your MC for CBD's Year's End Virtual Team Building. Wait a little bit, maybe you can touch up a little bit. Also comb your hair. Okay. Let's take a picture together. 1, 2, 3. Here to lead us in game, our game master. Please welcome together Mr. Rahul Rahman.
Hi, thank you, Felita. Hello, everyone. Rolling. Yes. It's easy, isn't it? Come on, CBD. Mantap sekali ya. Okay, everyone. We will go to our first breakout room.
Yeah, we are preparing now.
Oh, nice. All right. So,
How many minutes do we have, ya, Mbak?
we have, I think, maybe 5 more minutes.
I've already go to every breakout room dan all team very kreatif ya. So be ready for group A. Silakan tim 8. Raise hand because we will show you in the first screen.
Bacem tempe bacem. Wah.
Tempe bacem. Okay, we go for tempe bacem. Come and enter the code 11770 and 3. The third is 0 from team 1, the second Leonardo, and the first is Ina Dewi. Woo! We are ready, go to breakout room 2.
Ini tengah. Yes. Select. Nice.
Okay. For group 1. Wow. Okay, so and the answer is
Sorry.
Kari.
Raise hand yang kelihatan di fitur saya ya. Raise hand duluan dari kelompok 7 atau kelompok 8.
Kelompok 10. Kalau kelompok 10 berhasil jawab, poin semua diambil kelompok 10. Kalau nggak berhasil, berarti poin buat
Salah loh.
Yuk.
Alright, welcome back to the show. Amazing. Big applause dulu dong buat semuanya CBD. Woo! During this activity ya. Alright, silakan masuk ke main team meter. Okay, nice, good, wow, funny. What else? Woohoo! Let's go to MC Felita.
What's your favorite? You can also type it in your comment section. Boleh ya, di-type di comment section. Game apa sih yang paling menarik? Coba pengen lihat dong. I want to see which game. Ini bisa dipakai banyak hal, Bapak Ibu. Bisa beli di mana-mana nih ya, langsung bisa searching. Congratulations, Bapak Jakarta. Who is our best team of all with the scoring? It's actually really good. Yeah, 1,400. So congratulations to team 3, tim jalan-jalan.
Tim jalan-jalan.
I am Desember as your MC for today. Signing out. Stay safe, stay healthy, and bye.